Hello and welcome to my video today. Today I would like to share with you very exciting information and let's get started with me today. Okay, in the beginning of the video I would like to introduce about myself. My name is Sương and I am from Raznameh group, and today we will talk about what is secure software development lifecycle, and let's go to the detail of this one. In the beginning, I would like to share with you the definition of the security. The security is very essential part of any application and is also emphasizes critical functionality. To be more particular, security is applied in every phase of the software development lifecycle, and it also needs to be appear in the developer mind's front end and they implement the software development requirement. Also, to be more detailed, it requires the mindset in the focus on the secure delivery, and it's also focused on the requirement development phase, and they are discovered about this. Okay, I'm curious about the phase of the secure software development. I will help you to get to know about the information, and we have reviewed about 5 phases of the secure software development lifecycle. And let's get started with the phase 1. In the phase 1 is the requirement. What is this? The requirement is early phase and it's also focused on the new feature are collected by the stakeholders, and it's also essential to identify the security consideration of the functional requirement and being gathered by the new release. Okay, we end up the step 1 and it moves to the phase 2. The phase 2 is the design, and what it is. This phase is applied in the scope of the requirement and is planned of what it should look like the actual application. Also, the functional requirement is typically describe what should happen, and why security requirement is focused on what shouldn't. Let's move to the step 3. Okay, I'll talk about in the phase 3. The phase 3 is development. In this phase, when it's time actually implement, design, and make its reality, concurrent actually shift to making the sure the code well written by the front security. To be more particular, they are usually establishes the coding guidelines as well as record rewrites, and also double checks that the guideline has been followed correctly. And then the code review can be either manual and automated using the technology such as SAST. Are you curious about what is SAST? SAST is like a static application security testing. Okay, I will go to more details about in this phase. In this phase, the modern application developer can concurrently with only the code they write. Also, because of the variety of modern applications and written from the scratch, they also instead developer can rely on existing of functionality, usually provide the free open source components and deliver a new feature, and therefore the value also the organization as quick as possible. Okay, we end the step 3 and we next about the phase 4. The phase 4 is the verification. How about this? The verification is like where application is go through the through testing cycle and ensure that they meet the original design and requirement. Also, this is a great place to introduce about automated security and testing in a variety of the technologies. The application not only the deploy but only the test is passed. And also in this phase often include automated the tool like the CI/CD pipelines to control the verification to be released. Okay, we will move to the next step. Next step is the phase 5. Phase 5 is maintenance and evolution, and let's get started with the phase 5. In the phase 5, it is the end of this one and get to more details about in phase 5. Okay, the story doesn't end once the application is releases. In fact, the vulnerabilities is slipped through the cracks may be found in the application long after it's been released. The vulnerabilities it cause developer wrote, but increasing file that the underlying open source is a component that comprise an application. Okay, we'll get more details about what is the benefits of the secure software development. The first one is higher security. What is this? Higher security continuous monitoring the vulnerability of research is better application quality and is also mitigation of business cracks. Okay, and next step we will move to the cost reduction of the benefits. The cost reduction is like early attendance of the flaw significantly reduce the effort required to detect and fix them. Okay, In the final benefits of this one is the regulatory of compliancy. This one encourages the attitude for what the security relates the law and regularity. Ignore the main research in the file and parties and no sensitive data is lost. Also, the development teams get to continue the training, secure course, and the practice. Security approaches become one more assistant across the team, and the customer trusts you because they bring the special attendant to pay for the security for them. And also, internal security improves the SDL is applied to in-house software tools. Okay, everything is done right, but I will bring you like surprise part. Okay, I will show you about some information how to get the best job about the secure software development, like how to become a software developer. Okay, in the first one, I think it's involved about security, so you have to have like the extensive background involved about the technology, and you have to patient about IT. Next one, you have to have a skill which involved about the testing and auditing skill. And 3, this is very important because you have to have like the working team skill and also communication skill. Okay, we will done in here, and I am Dương. I am from Raznameh group, and we use the best methodology and technology for you to develop your software security. And also, security is one of the most concern of us, and we will implement this in all working processes. Thank you so much for listening, and I'm looking forward to your call.